Synergize HR, the cutting-edge employee management system that revolutionizes human resource processes in organizations. We pride ourselves on offering a comprehensive and innovative solution that seamlessly streamlines HR operations, maximizing efficiency and productivity. At Synergize HR, we have a clear vision for the future. We are committed to integrating artificial intelligence capabilities into our platform, creating an advanced and intuitive experience for job seekers. By leveraging AI, we aim to assist applicants in discovering ideal job opportunities and career paths that align with their skills, interests, and aspirations. Our mission is to cater to individuals at every stage of their professional journey, whether they are just starting in entry-level positions or aiming for high-level corporate leadership roles. With Synergize HR, you'll have access to a range of personalized tools and resources, empowering you to make informed decisions and take confident steps towards your career goals. Embrace the future of HR management with Synergize HR, where innovation meets your professional aspirations. Join us today and unlock a world of opportunities tailored specifically for you.
Synergize HR offers a range of key features designed to enhance employee management and optimize HR processes within organizations. 1. Employee database and profiles. Synergize HR provides a centralized platform for storing and managing employee data. HR personnel can create and maintain comprehensive employee profiles, including personal information, employment history, skills, certifications, and performance records. 2. Recruitment and applicant tracking. The system includes a robust recruitment module that streamlines the hiring process from posting job vacancies to receiving applications, conducting interviews, and making job offers. Synergize HR simplifies applicant tracking and ensures efficient talent acquisition. 3. Performance management. Synergize HR facilitates performance evaluations and goal setting for employees. Managers can set objectives, track progress, provide feedback, and conduct performance reviews. This feature promotes transparency, boosts employee engagement, and aligns individual goals with organizational objectives. 4. Training and development. The platform offers tools to identify skills gaps within the workforce and create personalized training plans. Synergize HR allows HR departments to schedule and track training programs, monitor employee progress, and evaluate the effectiveness of development initiatives. This helps foster a culture of continuous learning and skill enhancement. 5. Leave and attendance management. Synergize HR simplifies the process of managing employee attendance, leaves, and time off requests. It provides an intuitive interface for employees to submit leave applications and tracks attendance records accurately. This feature ensures compliance with labor regulations, facilitates efficient payroll processing, and minimizes administrative overhead. With its comprehensive set of features, Synergize HR empowers organizations to streamline employee management, enhance performance, and create a supportive environment for professional growth.
Introducing the objectives of Synergize HR, employee management system with AI integration. Synergize HR is committed to revolutionizing the way organizations manage their human resources through the seamless integration of artificial intelligence or AI. With a clear set of objectives, Synergize HR aims to transform HR processes and elevate employee management to new heights. Number 1. Streamline HR processes. The primary objective of Synergize HR is to streamline HR processes within organizations. by centralizing employee data and automating essential tasks such as recruitment, performance management, training, and leave management. The system aims to reduce administrative burdens and enhance operational efficiency. Through this objective, Synergize HR empowers HR teams to focus on strategic initiatives and value-added activities. Number 2, enhance talent acquisition. Synergize HR recognizes the critical importance of attracting and onboarding top talent. With its comprehensive recruitment module, the system aims to simplify and enhance the talent acquisition process, from seamless job posting to efficient applicant tracking and interview scheduling. Synergize HR enables HR teams to identify and select the best candidates swiftly and effectively. Number 3, improve performance management. Synergize HR strive to improve performance management practice within organizations by providing a structured framework for goal setting, performance tracking, and feedback. The system empowers managers to monitor employee progress and foster a culture of continuous improvement. With Synergize HR, aligning individual goals with organizational objectives becomes a seamless process, leading to enhanced productivity and employee engagement. Number 4, facilitate training and development. Synergize HR understand the importance of employee growth and development. The system aims to facilitate training and development initiatives by offering tools to identify skills gaps and create personalized training plans. HR departments can easily schedule, track, and evaluate training programs, fostering a learning culture that nurtures professional growth of employees. Number 5, ensure compliance and accuracy. Synergize HR places great emphasis on ensuring compliance with labor regulations and maintaining accuracy in leave and attendance management. The system provides a robust platform for organizations to manage employee attendance records, process leave requests efficiently, and generate error-free payroll reports. By achieving the objective, Synergize HR empowers organizations to maintain legal compliance while streamlining essential HR processes. With these clear objectives, Synergize HR is dedicated to transforming employee management through the power of AI. By embracing Synergize HR, organizations can unlock the full potential of their workforce and propel themselves to new levels of success.
So now, we are going to try if our program is running. So, now we're going to run. And you will be welcomed by the Synergize HR dashboard, where you can choose between the admin, employee, and applicant login. So first, we are going to try the employee login. So for now, we only have D. Padilla as the username credential and basic as its password. So now, we are going to log in. So after you log in, you will see the different features in this window. So you can view the basic information of the employee, you can file leave, file an absent, you can also time in and time out, and project all the information. So now let us see its view basic information. So here, you can see the basic information of the employee, his name, his full address, and his number. You can also file leave. Let's try to file leave. So, to proceed, your file of leave is already approved. While absent, let's try to file an absent too. So, yes, it is approved. And when we project all the information, you can see here all the information about the employee. the basic information, and you can also see that the absent and the leave that you filed has been approved as well. So now we are going to try the admin option. So for the admin option, we only have ADM and PW as its credential for now. So here you can see the choices for the admin option. So here you can see the names of the employee. For now, we only have two, which is Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo. You can also remove an employee. You can check their absence status approval, their leave status approval, or you can project all their information as well. So here we're going to try to remove an employee. So to remove an employee, you will enter the employee ID. So let's try to remove someone. So here we have Daniel Padilla that has an employee ID of 998449. So let's try to remove it. 998449. 99. So now let's see him in the information if he is still in there. So now Daniel Padilla is not there anymore. So it is true that you can remove an employee. And for the applicant, here you can choose between the suitable jobs and data information. But for now, we are still improving it. So there's nothing. And that's it. That's it for Synergize HR, and it is turning and still improving.
Okay, so hi, I am Eugene Revales and I am the programmer of this program. So this program is like what I have said earlier. This is from Innovative Solutions, and this is a Synergizer HR. Okay, so here are the codes. So we're gonna start with this main folder, Cpe Programming Finals. Then we have the databases, graphics, screenshots, and the UI. Okay, so let us start with the UI. So in here you will see all the codes in the UI, including the .ui file and the py file or the Python file. So we're gonna start with the menu.ui or the menu.py. So this would be the basic and the most window that we will use. This will be the first window that you will see. So here you have applicant, employee, and admin buttons that can be clicked in order to perform actions. As we all know, that Synergize HR is an employee management system. So in the codes, we can see the imports in here. So we have used PyQt 5 and then Qt Core GI widgets. So we can therefore use its classes, and then we have imported different files from here and then imported their classes. And then in here we will see a lot of definitions. These are just the triggers. I mean, this is just the functions that we will execute when called. Okay, so under the setup UI, this would always be the setup for each code. So basically, in all of these PY applications, we will have setup UI in which you will see click lambda open applicant, in which this handles the event of being clicked. For example, a button is clicked. For example, is that this button is clicked, then that function is made by this listener, which is click equals lambda, wherein we set when it is clicked, this function will execute. Okay, so we also have this graphics folders, wherein every icons that we will need will be just placed in here. So in every code, we have this location, wherein this represents the upper folder, and then the graphics folder, and then there are the location of the images. Okay. So one of the key features of this program is that this is translatable. In the future, if we will have future customers who are in different states and in different countries or regions, then we can simply just adjust on what language we should use in the front end of this, and then this just executes everything. So I will not further discuss each and every thing, which is basically will just be explained by my other group mates. And then so we have two logins in here. We have employee login. Let's just see. So in employee login, we have importations just like as before, but we have queue message box in here. This is just means we will use notification messages, and later you will see. Okay, and then this is just the layout, and then the important thing in coding this one by Qt is that I should make sure that everything have their object name, so it would be easier, and this is the most recommended, by the way, to rename it to rename them to their specific object name. Okay, so we have the authenticator module. Just this do is just we have a list of employees in JSON file listed in databases, the databases folder in here, and then we have just login codes. We just have login codes, and then we'll just put error when the user is not found. So basically it just runs through the code and then finds the username and the password if it matches, so we will use and then the tricky part here is that we use self save catch. So what does save catch do is that we create a temporary database wherein the current user information will be stored in the cache. So this applies to online browsers wherein our informations are loaded instantly, but it is just like it will not upload to the server and then download your data again, but it will use what we call cache data, and we have also used that technology in here to recall the user information quickly and not go through all the codes again, and not to go through all the list of employees again. So okay, so in databases we have admin cache, so we also have cache for admin, and then this is just the backup, and then this is the inside of the cache. So what we have in here is that the information of the current login employee. So this is the list of employees. So basically, yes, this is just dummy data, and then we have Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo. So we have their informations, and this is employees.json. So in here you will find their what they call this information. So basically, the functions of this code is just writing JSON, changing JSON. So basically, the function of this code is just removing data from JSON file, adding data from JSON file, changing data from JSON file, and just present it in a PyQt GUI window. So So yes, this is not finished and will have further improvements. So one of the future improvements in here is just these help buttons that will work when on the future updates. So we have the applicant in here. On the next updates, we will have interview of the applicant, wherein he will input his informations, and then he can click this button to find suitable jobs for him and data information to present all of his information to him, and we will have this back button working. So just a sneak peek of what we'll do is just, so we have the UI in here. So this is just sample coding, and so let us so example, we will access PUIC 5 applicant skills, PUIC 5 applicant skills that UI. Oh no, I forgot the X. We can access the PY file, wherein this is one of the codes. All of these are working and can be checked by ma'am, and this displays the name of the applicant, and then he can input his skills, basic informations that are needed, which are also which will also and these questions are made from the top questions that can be asked during an interview. So this will further help us to determine the suitable jobs for the applicant, and then we'll just present his information in this data information window. The next improvement that we will do is the forgot password. In here we will have forgot password, wherein we will have backup security questions that will be asked in case of 3 times login, because right now you will just can't log in if you type wrong username or password, but you will go through once you have the correct information. So we will present on the documentation on the codes that we will use for forgot password, because we just made the first layer, and for improvements we just wrote the code in the Python terminal and not executed it in the GUI because it will take a lot of time, and then it would also be the same for an administrator login. So last improvement that we will do is that in employee we will type, for example, is D Padilla, or my password. Yeah, this will be one of our major improvements that we will do. We will censor this one because we all know that who wants their password to be shown, but it will just type of code. So we'll try to log in, and then so this is one of the major improvements that we will use, because who wants their password to be shown, right? So we will just censor it in the next updates, and then when you log in, so all of these are working except for the time in, time out, and then these buttons that will be functioning in the future. Just time in and time out will just log into an Excel sheet or in a spreadsheet online, their time in and time out, and it will just that is just basically a different project. So we will just focus in employee management system. So that's it for the future purposes, and take it away.